Pancakeswap holders, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now my friends, this video I'm talking about to what should you do this time. You know what, it is the last and now it is the beginning of the July month, and I think it is the changes is negative, my friends, in the Pancakeswap. So buy the dip. A lot of people don't invest in the dip, my friends, but absolutely that's very necessary for all of you if you want to make profit with the Pancakeswap, my friends. So please, I request everyone before starting this video that please subscribe my channel for more news and update videos. And my friends, in this video I'm talking about the latest update of the Pancakeswap, and I will advise all of you on the basis of the technical analysis of the Pancakeswap, my friends. So at this time, the latest price of the cake coin, cake crypto, is 12.88 USD dollars. So now you can see here on the last day of the June month, the price of Pancakeswap start pumping. But now in the start of July, the price again negative. You can see here the price is negative 9.11%, my friends. So you know what, a lot of people don't understand the dip, my friends. Please buy Pancakeswap. Now the change is negative, but absolutely at this time that's a big opportunity for all short-term investor, my friends. Now at this time the price of the Pancakeswap is very low, and absolutely it's the beginning of the month. So you know what, I'm sure personally, I believe that Pancakeswap will take a huge pump on the July month. My friends, if you only hold Pancakeswap to the whole July month, absolutely short-term investor, you will get a good amount of profit from a Pancakeswap. So you want to profit, buy more and more Pancakeswap, my friends. That's my personal advice for all short-term investor, my friends. This video is very special for short-term investor. Let me show you the price chart of the Pancakeswap. You can see here, my friends, this time that is the 3-month price chart of the Pancakeswap, and you know what, from the previous 2 months, the May month, the June month, the both month, the Pancakeswap price fast down. So absolutely, my friends, after a fast there is a jump. So now in the start of July month, there is a lot of possibilities, and I'm sure, my friends, not the possibilities, that Pancakeswap continue a huge pump. So buy more and more and make a profit with the Pancakeswap. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe channel for more news and update videos.